Okay, this is question number 33. It's set theory basically, and you're looking at a situation where you've got 3 different bands and some kids are in overlap, and it gives you partial information. So there's a couple of ways to do it. First, I just want to kind of show you the situation. I'm going to do orange for orchestra, and it says there 45. I'm not going to put that in there yet. I'm going to put it on the outside because that's the total. Let's see. It says that 38 are in wind. What color for wind? Let's don't do that. Let's do like a misty gray or something like that for wind. Paint with all the colors of the wind. Alright, it says that there are 38 in wind. And then the jazz band, jazz raspberry. We'll do a raspberry-ish color, and that will be jazz. Okay. And it says that there are 18 in jazz. Alright. You may be inclined to want to say that 45 plus 38 plus 18, which gives you 16 plus 5 is 21, 6, 9, 10. That would be 101. You might be inclined to say 101 is the answer to this. Just add up those 3 numbers. Well, first of all, it's not even listed there. But still, here's the thing that you might not be considering if you do that. I would imagine that 101 in a regular ETS GACE test might be there. There's overlap. Okay, there are kids who are in 3 ensembles, which means that they got counted 3 times and should only have been counted once. And then there are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that are in 2 different things. And they got counted twice, but they should have only been counted once. So you could do this. There are 4 kids that got counted 3 times. Okay, they should have only been counted they got counted 3 times. They should only have been counted once, which means 2 of their extra times that they were counted. So minus 4, 4 times 2 equals, there would be 8 overcounts for those kids that are in all of those things. So if you subtract 8, that would be 93. And then there are 7 plus 2, which is 9, plus 3, which is 12. There are 12 that got counted twice, but should only have been counted once. So you've got to subtract 12 times 1, that extra time that they were counted, from there. And so that would be minus 12, which would be 81. Okay? Or, alternatively, if you just feel like you need to see it, you can actually just fill in this Venn diagram. And the Venn diagram is, I actually really like it, doing the Venn diagrams like this. You know that 4, you always start in the very center, the triple overlaps. Okay? 4 are in all 3. So I'm going to put a 4 right there. Alright, 7 are in orchestra and wind only. So 7 goes there. 2 are in only the wind symphony. So, 2 are in only the wind and jazz, sorry. And 3 are in orchestra and jazz. So now if you wanted to, you could take the 45 that you know comprises all of the students who are in orchestra and subtract those overlap kids. So 45, subtract 45, and if you subtract 7 plus 4 plus 3, right, so 45 minus 14, that would tell you that there are 31 that are in orchestra only. Wind, you know there are 38 total. You can subtract out 11, 12, 13 of the overlap kids, so that would leave 25 that are just in wind. And lastly, there are 18 in jazz and 7, 8, 9 overlap, so that would be 9 here. So now if you wanted the total number of students who participate in one or more, all you've got to do is be careful not to miss one or count one twice. So you would just say 31 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 25 plus 2 plus 9 So I did, let's just make sure. Ah. All right, I'm going to put this in another window. Just one second. Go get that. All right, 31 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7. I got everything in the orange. Plus 25 plus 2. So now I've got everything in the gray. Plus 9. Yes. Enter. And that's 81. So you can do it either way, and they both work equally as well.